it's Buck Bonner with MarineMax Lake Lanier. I'm standing on the back of one of our new trade-ins. This is a pre-owned boat. This is a 2021. It is a Sea Ray SDX 270 Outboard, and this boat is absolutely gorgeous. We just took this boat on trade. It's a one-owner boat. It's been kept on a lift on Lake Lanier undercover its entire life, and as we go through the boat, you will tell. So as you can see, we have an expansive swim platform right here. There's lots of real estate on the back of this boat. It's wonderful for entertaining, getting in and out of the water. This boat is powered with the Mercury 350 horsepower engine as well. So this is the upgraded engine. Standard was going to be a 300 for this boat. This is the 35 or 350. Nice big sun pad here. You also have, since this boat's an outboard, there is a massive storage trunk in here where you could put any and everything you want to bring out with you on the day on the water. Nice big sun pad for lounging with cup holders, built-in cooler, freshwater sprayer, and stereo controls as well. As we go inside this boat, there's a reason the 27 was one of the most popular 25 to 30 foot bow riders Sea Ray came out with. The space in this cockpit is huge. You can bring all the people you want, all your friends and family. I call it stadium seating. As you notice, you have wraparound seating. Up under all these seats is going to be hinged storage as well. So you flip the cushions up, you have very deep cavernous storage compartments, room for all your gear, in addition to the trunk we have on the stern. Here at the helm and port side companion seat, it's double helm seat and double companion seat. A cool thing about them is you can actually flip them forward as well. You also have the flip up bolsters. When you flip that down, you can flip the helm seat forward. So that truly continues that stadium full wraparound seating configuration. It's a great social zone when you have people on board. On the port side here, we're gonna have a well-appointed head. This is a pump out head with the head upgrade as well, which is gonna give you the sink basin and counter space. Here at the helm, we're gonna have our Simrad 12-inch display. This is a glass dash, so very seamless, very flush mounted GPS unit's going to give you fish finder, mapping. If you're exploring lakes or waterways you're not familiar with, you can leave breadcrumb trails on here. You can also split the screen into halves or quadrants to display different data screens or whatever you want. This is a digital throttle as well for the Merc 350. So this is a push button, start and stop, fly-by-wire, very smooth in and out of gear, and also with the Mercury Outboard it is very quiet. Here in the cockpit, we have one of the largest sun coverings as well. This boat does have the Watersports tower, so it's fun for family and friends to pull skiers, tubers, anything you want. You also have the activities bar on the back you can hook to, but lots of shade in this cockpit with that bimini top and the Watersports tower. As we move towards the bow, as you notice, the SDX model has the bullnose bow, so it's a little bit more of a blunt tip that gives you much more space. This is a very large bow. You could put 4 or 5 people up here depending on who it is. We also have a filler cushion here as well, so you can actually turn this entire area into one massive sun pad for the family and friends. And then here at the bow of the boat, we're gonna have our windlass. So this is push button controls for your anchor. This anchor doesn't look like it's been used hardly at all, but you can control it from the helm to raise and lower it. You're no longer going to have to lug that anchor up off the bottom or lower that heavy anchor down into the water. This is an absolutely gorgeous boat. Come check us out at MarineMax Lake Lanier. I'd love to show it to you in person.